Welcome to my channel. Now we will see the dynamic world map today. Here revenue changes from each regions around the world. When we click the divisions from the slicer, see the maximum revenue will be highlighted from each regions. See, from this region North America is higher revenue and this region South America is the higher revenue. Like this, we will prepare this quickly. First, we will copy this data set, bring it to a new sheet. Now here we will pick the pivot table range. From here, we will take the divisions in the filter and the regions in the row and the revenue in the values. We will remove the grand total. Okay, make all background color black, all the text color white. Okay, this is region. We'll copy both of this, paste it here. Revenue. We'll copy this region. We'll look up the revenues. Okay, done. Now we will find x and y axis of each location. I already prepared the axis for each location. Now select an empty cell and in the insert menu we will find a scatter map. No fill and shape outline, no outline. Right click and format chart area. We can find a fixer or texture. So we found a fixer here through the online. We can find it through online. Now right click and select the data. At the series name location, x-axis and y-axis. Okay. In the chart we will remove the guidelines, chart title. Okay. And we have to set the axis 0 to 10. Okay, both x and y axis we have to set 0 to 10. Now we will remove the axis. Now we got the points here. Now we'll add one more column here. Prepare a if function here. If this revenue is equal to maximum from all revenue, then print that revenue, or else empty. Okay, apply this to all region. So maximum from Europe, but we have to filter one of them, from one of the division. So maximum from North America. Okay, while we're doing this, click this pivot table and in the insert menu we will pick the slicer from division. Okay, make it 3 column, right click and slicer setting, display header off and hide items with no data. Right click the slicer and we'll find a custom design. Okay, now we will click the points and change series chart type to bubble chart. Okay, bubbles. Select the data. Select this one, edit this previous one. The x-axis is same as y-axis already there. So bubble size is the revenue. Okay. From the format data series, we can change the bubble size. Okay, bubbles. We can change the bubble size here. Scale bubble size to around 50. Okay, hope it's fine. Right click again and select data again from the maximum value. Add new. This is maximum. So x series as same. Bio is also as same. Now the bubble size is the maximum. Just the maximum from each division. It will highlight it. Okay. So the maximum from North America from productivity division. Now we will select this bubble and no border. Fill color from gradient fill, yellow and green. Click the another bubble, gradient fill here, red and green. Okay, that. From format we can apply some glow effect. Now we can add the data labels. Click the data labels and from here we can change the label option to bubble size. Okay, make this bold, change the font and font size. Okay, here we can apply 1000 separators and 0 decimal. Now from the slicer we can change the division. Okay, from game division, North America is the high revenue, productivity also, and utility division, South America is the high revenue. This is the dynamic dashboard we can prepare for our dataset.